We're just gonna go right here.
Whoa.
Wow. Good job, son.
Brad, just in half, in the middle.
Too late.
Too late?
Yeah.
Okay, do it in the middle.
Mama,
Good
look.
job. That's better.
Mama, there's a perfect color.
Amber Girl, do you like your sheets, your new sheets?
Yes.
Your buttery soft sheets? They keep you cooler? Oh, sorry. Does Aspen like them too? Okay, they have tons of other colors. This is like the buttery yellow color. It's so pretty and they're so soft.
Not too many. If you come up here, you see what's going on? You're not.
Only Princess Aspen gets to be on the bed.
Kind's too much.
Favorite character, Game of Thrones, go.
Ghost.
Nice. Second,
Summer.
what about Tyrion?
No, just all the dire wolves.
Oh, okay. Arya.
Tyrion.